Today we're going to have a quick TVS snout teardown. So I've already knocked the roll pins out or back so it sits flat. I have a press tool that's smaller than 5/8 to push the shaft down. So we're going to line it up. So I got the shaft out, drive hub still on it, the inner bearing. Pulley doesn't damage the pulley. Pulley seats nice and flat on the housing. So to get this bearing out, you can knock it out with a long pipe or something. I have a setup. Same thing. Long steel bar. At the bar, there's the pulley bearing. So now you can take the housing and clean it and prep it for rebuild. And this one. So now we need to strip this. So the quickest way to do that is I have an old housing, but you can do it many ways. The old housing up here. I have a bearing splitter set. And of course, one bolt fell off, or one of the nuts. Okay, now I got a little spacer here. There's the shaft, the drive hub, the old bearing. That concludes the disassembly.